when you talk to him, can you move to him a bit like this?
Yeah.
Because of the microphone.
Oh, okay.
แล้วพี่อาร์ตก็พูดต่าง
So, Piotr.
Hold me.
we make a hug at the end, like. Well, you guys. Okay, Wadi Kap, my Thailand friends and our Bangkok Vanguards community. I'm here with my friend P Art in Jarongkung Soi 23, and we are here at his community, and it's a very special community because it's one of the oldest communities in Chinatown, and Chinatown is one of the oldest parts of Bangkok, so we are in a truly historical place.
It's real Chinatown.
Chai. And yeah, first of all, I would like to thank all the people that joined us in our last fundraising tour here to support P Art and his little museum, and we had a great time. And yeah, we are going to do more fundraising walks that will be also in the future embedded in our urban exploration walk, so to say. And why are we here today? Because, well, good question. No, I know. We are here because we are here in his small little special museum, and this place is special because it is an information center of a great community. And why did they set up this information center? Because there is a challenge for them, a struggle going on, and that is basically the struggle with modernization. They're going to build a subway line, to be brief, and the residents here are being threatened to be relocated, and their century-old traditional shop houses may be demolished, and therefore they are trying to prevent this, and we are here to support them by raising awareness and bringing people to this special location. I'm looking forward to see you all back again, and soon we will have updates with a video interview with P Art and his friends Pinum and Pilek, and so you can find out more on the things that are going on and what makes this place so special. And yeah, that's basically it. No more bloopers. Okay, Wadi Kap.